Good day everyone. Thanks for joining me for Origami with Miss Cynthia. I love unicorns, and who doesn't need a cute bookmark to save your page on a current book you are reading? Today I will show you how to create a unicorn bookmark. Now let's get started. The supplies you will need is a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, markers or crayons to add color and designs, and a glue stick. Alright guys, once you selected your sheet of paper, one corner of that sheet of paper, you're going to bring it down into a triangle shape. Just like this. Our goal is to cut a square off of this. So we're going to grab our scissors and cut your rectangle off there. Now normally we can toss the sheet of paper out, use it as scrap paper, but we want to save it because we will be using it at a later point through our unicorn bookmark making. Okay, so once we cut that off, you want to have your sheet of paper folded in half still with the bottom of the triangle facing you, and you want to bring in the left and the right flaps in towards the bottom into a center fold like this. And work on the other side. Okay, so now you created that diamond shape. You're going to open up the left and the right flap again. Now, one of the sheets, you're going to bring it upward towards the top edge and bring down the left and the right flaps back down like this. Okay, now go ahead and flip your entire piece all the way around. And we just created a little pocket in there. And what we want to do at this point is fold the left and the right flap inside into that little pocket. Just like this. Go ahead and crease that really good. And fold those in. And go ahead and just make sure that you're tucking that all the way in, because this will be used as the marker for your bookmark, to put your pages in there. Now this here, you're going to fold it into the pocket as well. So you're going to bring that all the way in, and you're going to tuck that right in. Go ahead and crease that down. Just make sure that everything is all nice and creased, just like this. Okay, so now we're going to flip your triangle back over. So the top of your triangle is facing away from you, it's facing the top. Now you want to cut a triangle in the direction of that center fold there, just like this. So the tip of that triangle will meet at the very top, like that. So you just created the neck of your unicorn. Now this over here is the nose of your unicorn. So you want to not have a, so your unicorn does not have a pointy nose. Go ahead and cut it just right straight through like this. And you're going to do a diagonal cut on the side here, just so it's not so pointy. Now the back of the neck, you're going to cut right straight through it like this. Okay, now go ahead and set this to the side, because we will be working on some ears and unicorn hair. So grab that sheet of paper that we set aside earlier. Now you want to fold it in half, and where we're going to be cutting is where both of the papers meet with the flaps open, and you want to cut out some ears, and you can be whatever shape you like as ears. Just like this. And then you can color the inside of those ears whatever color you guys like. It can be a mixture of colors. Like you can have them color in some stripes and some dots. Your unicorn is unique to you, so have fun decorating this. I'm going to color the inside of my ears purple. It's one of my favorite colors. Alright, so set your little ears off to the side. And with the same sheet of paper, what we're going to do is you can color whatever mixture of colors. It could be the same color that you'd like, but I'm going to do the colors of the rainbow. So there's my red, there's my orange. Now, I wanted to share with you guys something that I learned a long time ago in my elementary school by a very good teacher of mine. A way to remember the rainbow colors is by remembering the name Roy G. Biv. Now, what is Roy G. Biv? It's the acronym for the colors of the rainbow. So you have your red, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow. Then you have your green, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. It's a cool way to remember it, right? So after you selected your colors, you're going to just cut it straight across, removing all the other colors you don't want on there. So I'm removing all the white. And we're going to put that aside. We're going to work on our horn next. So I just happen to have a bright piece of pink paper. Can you tell pink and purple are my favorite colors? And I'm just going to draw a very tall triangle here. And I'm going to add some lines, some curvy lines just going through the horn here. All right, now bring out your glue because it is time to glue all these together. So you're going to bring your horn on over towards the back here. So we want to glue it on the back side. Just like this. Then we're going to glue our ears down. I'm going to set my ear right there. And you can color this on both sides of your bookmark. That way it's visible on both sides. All right, now you ready how the hair works? You're going to glue this on the back of the neck, like so. So let me just do a strip of glue here. And you're going to glue it with the colors facing up. Now grab your scissors because it is time to give your unicorn a haircut. Now you can make some strips through the colors. Just like this. Alright, we're all done with our haircut there. Now you can draw some eyes next. I'm going to do mine winking. I'm just going to do a little curve there and some eyelashes there. And I think for a nose I'm going to do a little swirl like that. So here is your bookmark, but I want to show you how you can use it on your book. And there you go, guys. There is your unicorn bookmark. I hope you enjoyed making this whimsical unicorn bookmark. I am excited to fold another amazing origami masterpiece with you next week. Bye, guys. See you soon.